Hello everybody, welcome to Julie's Travel, and today I'm gonna make for you a easy, healthy chicken shrimp sapsoy. And stay tuned guys, keep watching and let's start cooking. So this is our ingredients. We have mixed veggies here. I have chicharu, broccoli, carrots, champignon, green beans, and also spring onions and cabbage, minced garlic, quail eggs, chicken breast stripes, shrimps, onions, pepper, salt, and cornstarch, and also vegetables broth. So guys, now let's start cooking with shrimps, chicken chopsuey. First, I'm gonna heat the wok, saute the garlic and add onion. Then we can add the chicken breast stripes, cook them until brown. So next, I add a little bit salt, then add shrimps, first I put out these shrimps. I cook only half cook and then put this aside. Then I add string beans. The beans need a little bit more than the other veggies. Then I add dissolved cornstarch. We add water if we feel the sauce is getting sticky. We can add water. This is optional. It's depend on you if you like more sauce or whatever. And then I add carrots, champignon, and the chicharron, mix together. So guys, after we mix together and we cook for some few seconds, we can add the cabbage, and be sure that you cook only half cook. I love the veggies when it's crispy and fresh. We don't need overcook. And we can add a season. Aside from salt, we can add vegetables broth. This is optional, but I use this to make more tasty. Then we add white pepper. Next, I add this half-cooked shrimps. Then the quail eggs. Mix together. So guys, that's it with my chop suey, and I hope you like it. If you are new on my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification every time I have a new videos. And thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. I love to answer you guys, and see you to the next video, and God bless.